Hey there, fellas. Today I'm going to be doing some ASMR video. Today I'm going to be doing some chips ASMR. Let's get started. Very soothing. Can't find a dang chip. There we go. Tastes very salivating. Let me get another one real quick, son. As you can see here, or tortilla chip. I hope you have enjoyed my amazing ASMR video. Tune in next time for water drinking ASMR. Bye.